Calendar number cards can do much more than show the date. With a simple routine, they can help first graders practice number recognition, counting, place value, addition, and mathematical thinking throughout the school year. In this video, I'm sharing 5 practical ways to use calendar number cards in your first grade classroom. I'll also show you what is included in my August Number Sense calendar set, including the calendar cards, days in school tools, student activities, and math games. Let's get started. The first way to use calendar number cards is during a short daily number sense routine. After placing the date card into the pocket chart, you can use the large display card for a quick math discussion. Ask students to look at the numeral, number word, and visual representation. Depending on the card, students may see tally marks, a 10 frame, base 10 blocks, or a number sentence. You can ask, what do you notice? How is the number represented? How do you know the model matches the numeral? What is one more or one less? Can you show this number another way? These questions turn calendar time into a meaningful math conversation without adding a separate lesson to your schedule. The display cards can also be used to introduce each representation before students begin working with the calendar cards. The second way to use the resource is to track the number of days students have been in school. Students can update the days in school place value chart and identify how many tens, ones, and eventually hundreds are in the number. For example, if it is the 14th day of school, students can show 1 10 and 4 ones. You can ask, how many tens do we have? How many ones? What number came before 14? What number will come next? How many more days until we make another group of 10? The included 100 and 120 charts can also be used to locate the number, count forward, backward, find one more and one less, and also notice patterns. This creates a place value routine that naturally grows throughout the school year. The third way to use the calendar cards is for quick addition practice. The August set includes addition within 10 calendar cards that fit into the same calendar setup. Show one card and give students time to solve the equation mentally. Then ask them to explain how they found the answer. Students may use counters, fingers, drawings, counting on, or a fact they already knew. You can ask, what equation do you see? What strategy did you use? Can you show the equation with counters? Can you think of another equation with the same sum? The matching addition display cards can help you introduce the routine or review strategies before students begin solving independently. The fourth way to use the resource is to connect the whole routine to independent practice. The August set includes an activity booklet, matching worksheets, and color by code pages. Because students have already practiced the numbers and representations during calendar time, the independent activities feel familiar. Students can use them during morning work, math centers, small group, or substitute days. This allows you to practice the same number sense skills in different parts of the day without teaching a completely new set of directions each time. The calendar cards introduce and review the skill, while the student pages provide additional practice and accountability. The fifth way to use the set is through an addition within 10 bingo game. Show one calling card at a time and give students time to solve the equation. Students then find and cover the matching sum on their bingo boards. Before students place a marker, ask them to explain their strategy. You can ask, what equation did you solve? What sum are you looking for? How do you know your answer is correct? Can you name another equation with the same sum? The bingo game works well for whole group reviews, small groups, math centers, or an end of the week activity. It gives students repeated addition practice while keeping the routine engaging and easy to manage. The August resource includes themed Number Sense calendar cards with matching display cards, a Today Is chart, days in school, place value charts, 120 or 120 days in school chart, addition within 10 calendar cards with matching display cards, student activity booklet, matching worksheets, color by code activities, addition with 10 bingo cards and calling cards. You do not need to use every component at once. Begin with the themed calendar cards and days in school routine. Then add the independent activities, addition cards, or bingo games as students become comfortable. Calendar number cards can become much more than classroom decorations. They can support number recognition, counting, place value, addition, independent practice, and math review throughout the school year. The key is to keep the routine predictable and use the cards as a starting point for meaningful mathematical thinking. The All Year Number Sense Calendar Cards bundle is linked in the description below. Subscribe for more simple first grade number sense routines and low prep math activities from Created by Mrs. Clow. In the next video, I will talk about 5 ways to practice subitizing in first grade. See you there.